What'd you say?
Are you guys in the Discord channel right now?
Yeah, we're in the
Yeah,
VC.
that's us three.
Dumb.
Hello?
Hello?
Yo. Hold on.
You don't have to worry about it.
Okay.
I need healing, I need healing, I need healing.
Cookie, show me that dick.
I can't believe you just said
On
that.
speaker. Oh, me seeing Josh doesn't have AirPods in.
You ever heard of that term, niggas in Paris?
What? What?
Oh my god.
What in Paris?
Niggas.
Who's in Paris?
Niggas.
I don't stand for this.
Buckle my shoe. There's mayhem to do.
Oh, wow.
Come on, Diva! Literally use your What the heck? You didn't protect!